pumpkin for a ride.
For you. I guess that's a good problem to have. Gracie's looking for rabbits.
You'll find them over here.
You're ready for that, weren't you, Gracie? She's getting angry. There's some power going up the hill. To be fair, on this particular day, it would sprinkle off and on all day long. And we were unloading on the go going up the hill. So all you John Deere guys out there, don't be dissing on this red combine. Gracie pays very close attention when we get to waterways or the end of the field. She loves watching for the rabbits. So actually Austin drove the combine most of the time this fall. Pat and I would fill in here and there whenever he wanted to take a break and get out of it. But that allowed me to haul grain back to the home farm and monitor the dryer and the bins and just kind of keep an eye on things. So, and that gave Austin a lot of seat time this fall, so that was good as well. The lanyard that you see around my neck has a remote control attached to it, and it operates those little wheels you see on my right side there. And you can run that hopper either direction, and also you can run it under the truck while you're backing up, so you don't have to get out and manually move this big auger. Dumping into a 13-inch auger like this is pretty much the fastest unload that we have. You can unload a truck in 10 to 15 minutes. So it's pretty quick actually, and with the remote control it makes it very nice. On this particular day, we had visitors in the field. Our daughter and granddaughter came out to ride along. The co-op that we were hauling to had a pretty big line on this day, so that meant that I had to sit and wait for trucks to get back. So what better thing to do than to clean the interior of the combine? He told them, "The harvest is plentiful, but the workers are few. Ask the Lord of the harvest, therefore, to send out workers into his harvest field." Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. See you next week.